Greetings, everybody. I want to teach you how to prepare African salad. This is how to harvest a cassava. To wash the cassava and cook it. You make sure that it's very neat. Till such an extent, you bring out one and cut and touch it. If it is gumming on your hand, you know that it's out done. You now can see that the cassava has done. When it's on fire, it's like this, but now you can see how it is. The next thing you will do is to bring it down and peel it. After peeling it, you start slicing it one after the other, small to the size of your choice. See how to peel it. Boiling it, you bring it down and allow it to cool. After cooling, you can start peeling it. When you peel, you cut it into two. On the center of it, there is something like stick that is on the center. You cut it out. Look at it. It's uneatable. You can't eat it. It's like a stick. You throw it and start doing what? Peeling it. You start doing what? Slicing it gradually. As you are slicing it, you can see that the thing is gumming on my hand. You can apply oil, either groundnut oil or red oil, but mainly we normally use red oil. You apply it on your hand like this, and also on that knife you are using. If you don't want to use knife, you can use this grater. It will cut it in a smaller size. Look at it. Are you seeing it? After cutting it like this into pieces and into smaller size, you can package it. However, I have finished cutting it in a smaller size of my choice. Now I have taken it to the river. If you finish cutting it and take it to the river, it's not ordinary bag you will use and put it. You will use a bag that is perforated so that water can flow in and out to wash out the fermentation that is inside the cassava. You will put it inside the river at least 10 hours. Then if you don't have a river like this, you can fetch water or go to the borehole and fetch water and soak it inside your house until you reach 10 hours. You wash. Good morning all. I have come to the river to collect the cassava I put inside the river. The one I want to use and prepare African salad. As it is now, it has been fermented, but I want to wash it off to be clean so that it can be eatable before you use it. And look at it. I have poured it in a basket. I'm going to wash it off to be well clean so that it can be eatable. You can now put it in a paste or bowl as it can contain. Look at it. When you pour it, you must pour water inside it. It cannot stay without water so that it will not sour. Thanks. Good day, everyone. Today we have come to the end stage of preparing the African salad. You can see all the ingredients that are here. Look at the abumiri, the one you use and prepare the African salad. This is the palm kernel. You can eat mmiri with the palm kernel without using these ingredients. This one is the onions. It is used in preparation of African salad. This one is tilapia fish. You can use it and prepare the African salad. And this one is the garden egg. Look at it here. It's cut into pieces. And this one is the crayfish. This one is the oil view. This one is the salt. This one is the serves as thickener. It is called ungo. The major thing you use in preparation of this African salad. This is the tilapia fish. It has cut into pieces and it has removed the bones. This one is the oil. It is used in preparation of the African salad. This one is the salt. This one is the garden egg. And this one is the odudu in my language. Now, what the quantity you want? You now shape the oil and pour. You first of all put all the ingredients before you put your cassava. You start putting your ingredients. This one is onions. This one is garden egg. This one is tilapia fish. This one is oil beef. This one is garden egg. This one is crayfish. Cannot turn them. You stir them together. After stirring them, you can test. It's okay. You can now put your cassava flame. You stir them together.
Preparation of this African salad.
Yes.
Is it prepared every day or every week, or is there any particular time?
Yes, there is a special day. It is well prepared and it is well known that you must eat this African salad. Especially in our market days, there's something called market days, Eke, Ori, and for Nkwo. In our market days, we have Eke. So every Eke, we do prepare this African salad. Especially, there is occasion we normally do once in a year, which is called Mbomozo. So that during that day, a day before that Mbomozo, we used to call it Ekengo. So when you go to the market, there must be many people that will prepare this ungo, which is called African salad in English. So everybody will be eating and drinking and be happy. So this our African